Lisa here, sharing with you an invitation that if you'd like to come to the last masterclass I'll do for 2025, it's a game changer because it's what I've learnt from delivering for 6 weeks to the team members. Wow, such a different mindset to the business owner. And I can put it into a really succinct understanding for you so that you'll know where you can help your team members. It's absolute gold. Like even all the years that I've been doing it, this has been a really good exercise because I'm working with them directly, no salon owners in the room. It's been really cool. So if you'd like to get that inside story on what I've found and how you can make that improvement for next year, you're most welcome to come to the class. There is no cost to the class. It is free for you. It's my way of giving back to the community. So if you'd like to come, if you can't come, then you can register and we'll send you the recording that you can watch after. So that might be more helpful, seeing it's a busy time of the year. The other thing I want to share with you is I'll be releasing my Black Friday sale, which is very exciting. And it's about next year. I invite at the end of the year a case study for the next year. And I have the results in from last year. Absolutely gold. Absolutely gold. So that is something that I can share with you in the masterclass as well. Looking forward to seeing you in the room, or perhaps you're going to watch it afterwards, whatever suits you. If you want to join me, just click the link below and you can register. And I can't wait to help you to understand your team better so that you can get them to perform. It's a win-win all around.